Hello everyone, this is Martin from LegalTrek and welcome to one of our biggest features for the current quarter and all of 2020. After careful analysis of your feedback, we decided that you as law firms who use modern fee and alternative fee arrangement need a way to break down your flat fees and billings and to find out actually how much money each time entry makes for you, even for clients that are built on flat fees and charges. This is why we created Billings Breakdown Report, an easy to consume Excel report which takes every billing for every matter, divides the total time spent on the matter by the invoiced and paid amount, even when this amount contains flat fee and subscription, and displays how much in total your work on the matter has earned to each of the team members based on their position. In few words, the billing breakdown weights based on the billing positions. For example, if we have one matter where the partner bills at €200 and the associate bills at €100, the hours of the partner are twice more valuable than the hours of the associate. Let me show you this in examples. We see that we have a client where the partner bills in €200 and the associate bills in €100. In this matter, we have two billings, one from the partner that has billed 200 in 1 hour and one from the associate that have billed 100 in 1 hour. Then we generate billings breakdown and logically it shows that the partner has earned 200 and the associate has earned 100. Then we go in the second example. Here we have a matter with €1,000 flat fee. We go on the billings and we see the same situation. A partner has billed 1 hour and the associate has billed 1 hour too. We generate billings breakdown and we see that they have split the flat fee proportionally. The partner has taken twice more the associate. Then we go in the third example. We have a matter with subscription, €1,000. Again, we have the same billings, 1 hour from the associate and 1 hour from the partners. We are generating billings breakdown and again, they are splitting the whole amount proportionally. I would like also to show you that on the next sheets of the file we have detailed information about the billings for every team member. We believe that this would be useful for you. Thank you very much for watching.